balloon. Look at, and what's here? Whale. Who's that? Is that Grandma? Is that Grandma? And look at birds, crab. Look at there. Look at there, Stanley. Yeah. Oh, and a fish. Look at there. Look at there. That's a clam. And look at there. Pretty, pretty clam. See you next. Okay, let's see what's up. Oh, we see a penguin. Fish. Fish. And look at there. Octopus. Octopus. Fish.
Blue.
Blue. Blue fish. Yeah.
Blue.
Blue. Look at that otter. Isn't that cute? Soft otter. Look at here. What's that? Oyster?
Lady.
A lady. Yeah, it's a mermaid. Mermaid. Oh, and look at, here's Kalamazoo. We'll skip Kalamazoo. Who's that? Is that Grandma? Grandma? How did she get over there? She even looks older there than in here. Look at the bird. Look at that. Porpoise. Whale. Porpoise. And look at here. Oh, that's a seahorse. A penguin. A bird. Seagull. Seagull. And wait a minute. Who's coming up here, Stanley? Who is that? Who is that? Stanley?
Yeah.
No. Oh! Pixie! No. All right.